Welcome to 360 Crypto Arena, where the world of cryptocurrencies comes to life. We bring you the latest news, expert insights, and educational content that will help you master the crypto games. Engage with our community, and let's build a brighter, crypto-informed future, one video at a time.
Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the challenge of managing your teen's online activities? Today, we're going to dive into a tool that can help alleviate those concerns: Google Parental Control. Navigating the digital world can be a daunting task, particularly for parents aiming to protect their teens from inappropriate content. That's where Google Parental Control steps in. This tool provides parents with the means to filter and block unsuitable content, limit screen time, and keep an eye on usage. To get started, you'll need the Family Link app from Google. Once you have this installed, you can link your Google account with your teens. This creates a bridge, allowing you to oversee their digital activity. Google Parental Control offers the power to filter out potentially harmful content. By setting restrictions on the types of websites your teen can visit and enabling safe search, you can effectively shield them from explicit material. Another essential aspect of digital parenting is managing screen time. With Google Parental Control, it's easy to set daily limits, create bedtime schedules to lock devices, and even lock them remotely during study hours or family time. Beyond screen time, Google Parental Control allows you to review and manage the apps your teen uses, approve or block new app downloads, and gain insights into how much time your teen spends on different apps. This tool even offers the option to set daily app limits. For an extra layer of security, Google Parental Control includes location tracking and geofencing alerts. This can be particularly reassuring, ensuring your teen is safe and where they are supposed to be. While these tools are essential, they work best when paired with open communication. Encourage your teen to share their online experiences, fostering a sense of trust and understanding. This open dialogue can be a significant step in promoting internet safety and responsible device usage. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, it's vital to stay informed about the latest digital threats and protective measures. Regularly review and update your parental control settings to ensure they remain effective. In summary, Google Parental Control provides a comprehensive toolkit for managing and monitoring your teen's online activities. By filtering content, limiting screen time, overseeing app usage, and tracking location, you can create a safer digital environment. And remember, open communication is key. Empower your teen to navigate the digital world responsibly, and you'll both feel more secure in their online experiences.
Thank you for joining us on this crypto journey. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications for more.